Hello family, you are welcome back. Thank you for clicking on this video. It's been a while I posted, but I'm back now. So thank you to anyone who has been a support to this channel, to you watching me. I really appreciate you so much. To my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. And if you have been watching me and you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Just click on that subscribe button, turn on bell notification. Anytime I upload a new video, you are going to be notified. All right, so in today's video, I have on my recipe table Bofrot or banana puff puff. Okay, so I am going to show you my ingredients one by one or one after the other. So I have here with me some flour, some sugar. This is my nutmeg. I also have with me some yeast, which is very important when you are making puff puff and you are going to use yeast. Okay, all right, so I have here some salt, a pinch of sea salt, and this is my banana. I prefer this one because it really brings out the flavor of the banana. So I have with me here some milk, fresh milk, and so let's begin. So in my mixing bowl, I am going to peel off my banana and then get it mashed, okay? Wow. After mashing my banana, what I'm going to do is to add my sugar. So you have to take note over here. You can watch your sugar as well, but then you want to know that the natural sugars from banana don't really add much, since you are adding a lot of ingredients in this recipe, or when you're making puff puff, you have to take a good quantity of sugar that you think it's cool for you, but you don't have to add it because of the banana, all right? Or you don't have to measure it because of the banana. So I've added my milk, my yeast, my nutmeg, and also my flour. At this point, it's time for me to make sure that I mix all ingredients very well. And since every ingredient is well measured, the consistency is going to be on point. So after making sure that you don't have any lumps in your batter, what you have to do is to cover this with anything that is okay for you, with a kitchen towel or anything that suits you or anything available to you. Then the next here is to leave this in a warm place for about 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes, this is the result. Okay, the puff puff batter is ready to be fried. So if you're watching me and you don't know how to scoop this, the easiest way is to scoop through your index and your thumb finger, and you are going to achieve the perfect size or the perfect shape that you are looking for. You want to take notes that when you are making puff puff, you need a lot of oil, and you want to make sure that your oil is very, very much ready to fry. And also to note that you're not going to fry this on a high heat. So after you realize that your oil is perfect and easy to go or ready to go, what you would want to do is to change your heat to a low medium heat in order not to burn your puff puff. Okay, I say this in all my videos, my puff puff videos, because it is very important. If you don't take notes, you just burn your puff puff from the outside and it's not ready yet from the inside, all right? And you wouldn't want that. Okay, so if you're still watching me and you are enjoying this video, you want to know, you are free to watch any other video on this channel. And if you haven't subscribed already, you want to click on that subscribe button. You want to turn on bell notification anytime I upload a new video. You are going to be notified. Don't forget to share this with anyone who has been trying to get the puff puff right. You know, sometimes it's difficult to get your puff puff right when you are a beginner. So on this channel, I have a lot of videos on puff puff. I have beginner friendly recipes, and you would want to go through the videos and find this out, okay? And everything is going to be perfect for you. So at this point, my puff puff is almost ready, and I'm going to keep them here. I need to drain the oil, okay, on a kitchen towel or kitchen paper, I mean, and it's going to be a simple process, just like this. All right, guys. So the next thing I'm going to do is just show you how this went, okay, and you are going to love the outcome. It's just so soft, so yummy, and the flavor of the banana is just everywhere. All right, so you don't have to worry. Thank you very much for joining me today, guys, and until I come your way again next time, stay cool, be nice, keep hydrated, get enough rest when you get the time. Okay, so see you in my next video. It's bye.